Rarely available updated brick ranch residence in Lombard awaits you. Begin your journey through the porch foyer, setting the tone for what's inside. Spacious rooms provide ample living and accommodation space, with a beautiful living room flowing into a sunlit dining room. The impressive kitchen boasts granite counters, custom wood cabinetry, and a bonus room opening to a deck and landscaped backyard. Find 4 bedrooms on the main level, including a primary suite with a private bathroom, along with abundant storage space throughout the home. The lower level features a large family room, utility room, and an additional room for a home office or gym with a separate entrance. With 200 amp service, new washer/dryer, and a new Generac generator, convenience is key in this property with a 2-car garage and off-street parking. Just blocks away from downtown Lombard, enjoy easy access to the train, shopping, pool, library, and nearby Glenbard East High School.